All right, look, if you're not in crypto yet, but you want to be in crypto, but you're not in crypto yet, listen up because this video is literally made for you. So make sure you pay attention because we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Brittany. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Brittany.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul, and on this channel, we talk all about crypto and cryptopreneurship. And today, I want to talk to you about if you are not in crypto yet. Maybe you used to be in crypto, you took profits, but you haven't got back in. You're waiting for the perfect scenario, the perfect, buying opportunity. Or maybe you're new to crypto, you're studying it, you're balancing it, you're thinking about it, and you haven't got in yet. My question for you is this: what are you waiting for? Seriously, I'm not being funny here. What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for the perfect opportunity, the best buying price that you can possibly get in? What exactly are you waiting for? Because I'm going to tell you right now, chances are if you're watching this video, you're sidelined. You haven't got in, you wanted to get in, you're thinking about getting in, but you're waiting for the perfect time. You're waiting for the markets to go down, they go down, then you get scared, then you don't have money, then whatever reason, and you're not in crypto yet. And I'm here to tell you this: stop goofing around, stop procrastinating, and get into crypto. There is no perfect time. I don't care whether you buy the top. I don't care whether you buy the bottom. If you don't get in, you're going to be left sidelined because everybody talks about it. Everybody thinks about it. If you look at the biggest regrets most people talk about on Twitter, they've been in crypto, they wanted to get in earlier, but they procrastinated, waiting for the perfect time. The sooner you get in, the better, even if it's a higher price. Let me explain why, because it's very, very important. First of all, most of you, 95% of you, are going to buy the top anyway. I don't know when you're watching this video. I don't care when you're watching this video. Most of you will buy the top, and that's fine. That's okay, because most of you that are getting into crypto for the first time, you're not about to spend a fortune on crypto. You're not selling your house to buy Bitcoin. You're not grabbing your savings and your 401k to buy XRP. Hey man, you're in the XRP army? Yeah. You think that the XRP is gonna go to 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, making you rich? It doesn't matter what you think. Hopefully you're not buying XRP generally, but that's not the point. The point is you're not spending a fortune. You're probably getting in with a few $100 at best, maybe 1,000, maybe 10,000, depending on your economic status, but you're really not getting in with a fortune. But the time you get in, whether it's the top of the bull market, the middle of the bull market, or the bottom of the bull market, it doesn't matter, because at this point, it's not about getting profits. At this point, it's about getting in, getting over that initial hump, so to speak, so you can start watching the prices being involved and having chips in the game. Because once you have chips in the game, you start studying more, you start noticing more, you start learning more. You're not going to do it unless you're invested in it. Does that make sense? How many times in your life do you say to yourself, I'm gonna go to gym, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna go do that, and you never do? You just don't. It's been 2-3 years. You're still on the sofa watching TV saying, yeah, probably gonna go to gym on Monday. Maybe you bought a protein shake or two and you probably drank some, which did nothing for you because you're probably fat. And I'm not saying it as a diss you. I'm not trying to diss you. What I'm saying is you are procrastinating. But once you go to gym, and for those of you, and some of you have gone to gym, they're gonna understand exactly what I'm talking about. Or some of you are about to go to gym and you actually will, you're gonna see what I'm talking about as well. As soon as you get to gym, you start looking at more things, you start learning, your body starts adapting, your muscles can lift more. As time goes by, you start reading about your diet, you start reading about your repetitions, you start reading about your sets, you start watching documentaries or training or coaching or whatever when it comes to gym, and you start seeing the difference while you accumulate and make that body, and you feel good and you learn more, and now you're talking to people about creatine and their benefits of the creatine, but now you are involved. And until you make that initial step, you're never gonna get involved. You have to understand this. Stop procrastinating, stop overthinking it, and just get in. Otherwise, you're gonna be sidelined for quite a while, and even if you get in later, you're gonna always say what every other influencer, every other person in crypto says: I wish I got in sooner. So get in, buy Bitcoin to start, see where the price goes. Does it go up? Look at lagging plays. Maybe you start learning more about other cryptocurrencies. Does it go down? Maybe you wanna buy some more. Maybe you put another 200, 300, 400 bucks. Start getting used to it. And then as you get used to it, as your mind shifts and you start learning and understanding it, that's when you can start your crypto journey. And once you start, believe me, your life will change forever. Just make sure once you start, once you get involved, you don't do any of these 5 awful tips. These 5 awful tips that most of you are doing, you're doing at least 2 of these that are keeping you poor. So make sure you watch this video. You're not gonna regret it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.